Welcome back to Machine Era. Today's journey brings us to a new kind of power, the log splitters that think and work like a skilled hand. Where muscle once ruled, machines now take over with grace, speed, and unrelenting precision. Who says splitting wood is just for men? With skillful hands and sharp focus, she handles the machine like a pro. Strength isn't just muscle, it's mindset. You don't fight the wood, you guide the blade. With just the nose of the chainsaw, the split happens smooth and clean. Less risk, less effort, more control. It doesn't fight the wood, it flows through it. The oversized blade slices fast and smooth, cutting with power and precision while easing the burden on the operator. With a roar of combustion and a glint of steel, the gas-powered chainsaw surges forward. Its sharp force, like a surgeon's scalpel, carves through timber with surgical precision, clean, swift, unstoppable. Born from a tractor's heart and a piston's raw push, this homemade log splitter is a masterpiece of power and ingenuity. It works fast, cuts deep, and takes the load off your back. It doesn't rest. It doesn't slow down. This log splitter works like a robot on a conveyor belt, fast, tireless, and brutally precise. The worker just feeds it, and it delivers every single time. Anchor the machine. Pull the cord. The engine comes to life, and all that's left to do is feed the wood. The sharp wedge does the rest, splitting logs with almost no effort. Built on the heart of a Mia 70cc engine, this circular saw is a reborn legend. Like an old classic car restored for a new purpose, it roars with style, cuts with power, and never forgets where it came from. It feeds itself, it splits effortlessly. This automated log system turns hard labor into smooth motion, cutting wood with grace, not grit. What was once tough is now simple. No pause, no downtime. This high-speed log splitter runs a flawless cycle, wood in, split out, non-stop. Precision meets momentum, turning time into pure productivity.
The safety issue we've been pretty happy with. That's something we but one-man operator just seems to be a real decent setup.
The RM conveyor line is more than a machine, it's a system. Logs roll in, the saw slices, the splitter finishes, and the wood flows down the belt clean, smooth, ready. From raw timber to finished firewood, all in one motion. It won't crush thick logs, but give it the right task and it shines. For branches, scrap wood, and yard debris, this mini grinder works fast and clean. Smart size, serious results. Overloaded with firewood, the truck sinks into the mud stuck, heavy, unmoving. Now it's a fight against the earth itself. Chains, boards, brute force, whatever it takes to rise again. Matty Z 892 carries wood like a warhorse through swamps, slopes, and silence. No matter the mud, the weight, or the climb, it presses forward with purpose. A true workhorse of the forest. It sinks, but it doesn't surrender. Even when trapped in the mud, the MTZ 892 never lets go of the timber it carries. This isn't just a tractor, it's loyalty forged in steel. Nature throws its worst slopes, mud, rocks, but this legendary machine, armed with raw horsepower, charges forward. No road too rough, no challenge too great. A wood splitter so powerful, it handles every step feeding, splitting, stacking. What once took sweat and time now takes just the push of a lever. Muscle meets machine, and the machine wins. They mounted the splitting wedge right at the back. Smart, fast, and deadly efficient. In one swift motion, the log hits the blade and firewood is born. Today's mission is complete. But don't leave just yet. Hit that subscribe button. Your support is the fuel that keeps us building stronger, bolder, and better content every single time.